Hi, I'm Dan from Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I have purchased the SNAPP screen and rail system on my covered deck. This is the second covered deck I screened in, and the first time I used SNAPP. The process that I used, that SNAPP provided me, was outstanding. It was the simplest screen-in deck that I did. I will show you what it looks like. Again, I would suggest and recommend the SNAPP system on any screened-in deck that I would do again. Thank you for your easy process that you've given me.